In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scrolling text in Canva. This is a handy skill to have if you're looking to add dynamic text effects to your videos. Whether it's for a presentation, a social media post, or any other project, scrolling text can really draw the audience's attention. Now, let's dive into the process step by step, and in just about 5 minutes, you'll have a scrolling text effect ready to go. First, you'll want to open Canva. If you're not familiar with Canva, it's an easy-to-use online design tool where you can create anything from presentations to social media posts and much more. Once you've signed in, the first thing you'll need to do is create a new design. Navigate to the top right corner of the screen where you'll see a button labeled Create a Design. Click on that and then select Video from the list of options that appear. This ensures that your project is set up specifically for video content. After setting up your design for video, it's time to add text. Look up to the toolbar at the top and click on the Text button. You'll see different text options appear over on the left side. Choose Add a Heading. This will place a large text box onto your canvas. This heading is going to be the text element that will scroll across your video. When it comes to fonts, choose something bold and simple. Simple fonts ensure that your message is easy to read, especially when it's moving across the screen. This is particularly important if the text is going to be relatively small or if it needs to be easily read at a glance. Next up, you want to group your text. Click and drag to select all the text you've input. Right-click on your selected text and choose Group from the context menu. Grouping is essential here because it ensures that all your text elements move as a single unit when you animate them. Once grouped, click on your text again, and you'll see an animate option appear in the toolbar above. Click that to begin adding movement to your text. You'll see different animation options, and for scrolling text, you need to choose Create an Animation. This part is where your creativity can really shine. Select your text and click and hold to drag your text element in the direction you want it to scroll, be it up, down, left, or right. This movement will become the path your text follows in the final animation. Finally, don't forget to adjust the speed of your text. This is found in the animation settings. You can play around with the speed to match the pace of your video or to ensure your audience has enough time to read everything. And there you have it, your scrolling text in Canva. With just a few clicks and a bit of creativity, you've transformed simple text into a dynamic moving piece that can add a professional touch to your videos.